How to make money using ChatGPT in creative ways. Welcome to this video on how to make money using ChatGPT in creative ways. If you're an entrepreneur looking to explore innovative ways to grow your income or build a business, this video is for you. ChatGPT, OpenAI's advanced AI tool, can transform how you approach entrepreneurship. With its ability to generate content, automate tasks, and spark creative ideas, you can unlock boundless earning potential while saving time and resources. In this video, we'll show you practical and creative methods to use ChatGPT for building income streams. Whether you're running a business, setting up a side hustle, or just looking to explore AI-powered ventures, there's an idea here for you. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to respond intelligently to prompts, helping you write text, solve problems, and even brainstorm creative ideas. As an entrepreneur, ChatGPT becomes your personal virtual assistant, offering efficiency, cost savings, and unique insights. Why should you consider using it? It's versatile, user-friendly, and accessible, making high-level AI support available to anyone. It can handle everything from content creation and customer service to automating repetitive business tasks. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it effectively. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's look at specific ways you can use it to make money. The demand for quality content is at an all-time high, and ChatGPT is perfect for tackling this space. You can use it to write blog posts, website content, and social media captions that capture attention and provide value. As a freelancer, offer these services to businesses or influencers who need help managing their content pipeline. For example, if a business owner in your network struggles to maintain their blog, you can use ChatGPT to generate insightful and well-researched articles in a fraction of the time. The key is to refine ChatGPT's output and add your unique touch to ensure quality. Good copy sells, and ChatGPT can help you craft sales pages, product descriptions, and email campaigns that convert. If you run your own store or collaborate with clients, this skill can significantly boost sales while providing a highly marketable service. Fine-tune the language ChatGPT generates to align with the client's tone or brand voice. This approach not only saves time, but ensures a polished final product ready for deployment. Social media is a powerful platform for businesses, and ChatGPT can create engaging posts, captions, and advertisements tailored to specific audiences. You can even analyze trends or hashtags to optimize strategies. Offer social media management as a paid service using ChatGPT as your secret weapon. AI-driven chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, and ChatGPT can act as the backbone of this technology. You can program responses to FAQs, troubleshoot common issues, or provide instant replies that maintain excellent customer satisfaction. Small businesses may not have the budget for large-scale systems, and you can pitch ChatGPT-enabled services as a cost-efficient solution to streamline operations. ChatGPT isn't just for services, it's also a great tool for developing and selling your own digital products. The digital economy thrives on scalable assets, and ChatGPT can help you generate income with these ideas. Do you have expertise in a specific niche? ChatGPT can assist in writing and editing ebooks that you can sell through platforms like Amazon or Gumroad. Outline the chapters, feed prompts into ChatGPT for detailed content, and polish the language for a comprehensive ebook. It's an ideal project for entrepreneurs looking to position themselves as thought leaders while tapping into a passive income stream. Templates are highly valued assets for professionals and businesses alike. ChatGPT can help you create templates for resumes, email pitches, business proposals, and more. Focus on designs that solve specific problems for your audience and sell these assets online. Whether it's a pitch for presentations or compelling video storytelling, ChatGPT can generate scripts to meet your client's needs. Build a portfolio of script writing samples and market yourself as a script writing expert. If you work in education, coaching, or mentoring, ChatGPT can help you generate meaningful resources to share with your audience or clients. Online courses are booming, and creating structured course materials takes effort. With ChatGPT, you can save time by drafting course outlines, writing lesson content, and even designing quizzes. Use the generated material to build a cohesive course that students will find easy and enjoyable to follow. One-on-one coaching is in high demand, and personalization is key to success. ChatGPT can craft tailored resources for your clients, including session agendas, feedback summaries, and follow-up materials. This not only adds value, but demonstrates your commitment to their growth. If you're in an academic or technical field, summarize complex topics into digestible study guides with ChatGPT. Whether for students or corporate professionals, these concise guides are a valuable resource you can offer for a fee. ChatGPT opens the door to unconventional services and niche businesses. Think outside the box and find creative ways to apply AI for profit. Many businesses and individuals struggle with day-to-day writing needs. Use ChatGPT to offer services like article writing, document editing, or creative storytelling. Build a niche in areas like fashion, travel, or tech, and market yourself to clients within those industries. Blogging remains a lucrative venture, especially when paired with affiliate marketing. Launch a blog on a specific niche, such as sustainable living or remote work, and use ChatGPT to generate regular, high-quality posts. Drive traffic and earn through affiliate partnerships or ad revenue. Offer personalized services like writing customized birthday greetings, wedding vows, or even speech drafts for events. People are willing to pay for personalization, and ChatGPT can make these tasks efficient and profitable for you. If you're managing a growing business or team, ChatGPT can help streamline your processes and scale operations without significant investment. Use ChatGPT to maintain strong relationships with your customers. Draft personalized newsletters, send value-rich email campaigns, or respond empathetically to customer queries. Businesses with a solid retention strategy are far more profitable, and ChatGPT makes this achievable. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks like drafting proposals, filling out reports, or providing meeting summaries. This not only reduces workload, but also ensures your focus remains on high-priority activities. As your business grows, hiring full teams can be expensive. ChatGPT allows you to scale your output, whether it's more content, more client outreach, or more customer support, without the need for a massive workforce. To inspire you further, let's look at some real-world examples of how businesses are effectively integrating ChatGPT into their operations. These case studies will demonstrate its practical applications and successes in various industries, from small startups to established enterprises. Additionally, think of industries you might not expect, such as art, creative writing, or even health and wellness. For example, therapists might use ChatGPT to create mental health journaling prompts or self-help resources. Enhance ChatGPT's output by pairing it with other tools. For example, if you're managing customer queries, integrate ChatGPT with CRM tools like HubSpot. For content creation, use Grammarly for proofreading or Canva to design visuals alongside ChatGPT's written content. To get the most out of ChatGPT, learn how to craft effective prompts. Be specific in your inputs to ensure the AI delivers tailored and relevant outputs. Experiment with refining the results until you achieve high-quality content. It's essential to use ChatGPT ethically. Always disclose when content, communication, or solutions have been AI-generated. Building trust with transparency is critical for long-term success as an entrepreneur. Now that we've explored these exciting ideas and strategies, it's time for you to take action. Test out ChatGPT with a few small projects or creative experiments and see what works best for you. Whether it's automating your business or exploring a new income stream, start small and scale as you gain confidence. We'd love to hear from you. Share your ideas or experiences using ChatGPT in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on entrepreneurship, creative tools, and technology. Let's build a future where innovation and creativity lead the way. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.